Hey, it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers and welcome to our YouTube channel. How is everybody doing? Again, we're sponsored by Greeleaf Wholesale. They brought us the most beautiful things. And I forgot to mention, we're located in downtown Portland and we've been here for 27 years. I think I forgot to mention it because I'm so excited. I'm doing the happy dance because check this out. We're making a bridal bouquet for a real bride. Do you know what this is? I know, it's the base of a lightsaber, obviously inspired by Star Wars. Our bride is not a nerd, but she loves Star Wars. And check it out, it has a lot of detail. And so we're gonna get started and make this puppy, right? So cute. So first up, this particular lightsaber has a hole in it. So we were able to put this bouquet holder, and no, the 80s didn't call and want their bouquet holder back, but this is a typical bouquet holder from a little bit more of a traditional time. I don't know if I've ever used one, maybe way back when, but this has a handle. We went ahead and soaked it in water and Oasis overnight. So we put it in this container so it was kind of heavy. And yeah, so here, let's get started. And we decided that the power buttons need to be the front. What do you guys think? And today I'm designing, because this is falling over all the time, in a vase with black rocks. Okay. So she has a cool color scheme and she loves these proteas, and we're going to go ahead and put them in first because they are our kind of focal flower. And with Oasis, you have to commit, right? You can't shove in and out, because it'll ruin the Oasis and crack it. So I'm going to put this guy right here. And she wanted a little bit of drape. We don't say cascade anymore. And she wanted 3, and she really loves these ones with the black. I know, cool. So I am going to peel the foliage back and put the second one. And if you notice, I'm cutting at a really tight 45-degree angle so we can cascade a bit. So I don't know, does it look a little weird? I bet it does. So I'm going to put some of this cool grevillea. It comes in a bunch of different colors, but this silver color is so pretty. So her color scheme is grays, this blushy pink, and burgundy. So I got these beautiful burgundy dahlias, and I'm going to go ahead and dip these because this wedding is in a few days, and I really want these puppies to hold. I feel like she's gonna jump, okay, but maybe not. So you can see I'm just placing them in here, and I'm really putting them in a good 2 inches because I really want my plant material to drink, right? So I keep filling it up. So check out this protea. This is called Blushing Bride. It's so beautiful, and the groom's boutonniere is made with a little tidbit of this and a burgundy ranunculus. So we're going to put that right there. And I have some roses. These are David Austin Juliet roses. David Austin is a rose grower and famous cultivar from England. This is not quite open. You can blow in it, and this is a beautiful garden rose. So we're going to add our blush tones. She really likes the rose shimmer, and we're going to just keep building this. Here is another David Austin Juliet. So I think we need him right there. I'm going to start filling it in with some texture. I like to put kind of my focal flowers in first because then it you know, kind of fills up the space. These are blush ranunculus. I love these so much. So I'm going to put this on the back side. You guys won't be able to see it, but I'll turn it around. Here is an eggplant ranunculus. And we'll kind of have him cascading down. I do have this handy glue, but we'll put this on at the end, but this is called Floral Lock. And what it does is we're gonna spray the stems where it hits the oasis here, and it keeps those big stems from falling out. So it is like, I guess, flower oasis glue. Okay. So here's some calcinia, always so pretty, gives a little bit of delicacy, and we'll just start filling in and getting a little bit bigger. Here's a little thing that I found in my yard. Okay, so I had a little few things that fell over because it got a little heavy, so I'm definitely going to have to figure out how to deliver this puppy. But isn't it beautiful? It looks so good. I love it so much. So I forgot that we're going to spray and fill in the hole right here. So this is a little bit like Bondo for Oasis. So I'll let that dry. It looks like it's kind of foaming up in there. And just to be completely honest, I have never used this before. So anyway, what do you think? You love it? It's definitely unique. And we're thinking that our bride got the lightsaber on Etsy, but we'll confirm with that and put that in the notes below. And I can't wait to say this. May the Force be with you. Woohoo! Thank you so much, Amazing Bride, for trusting us with this creative project. And thanks for watching, you guys. And please follow, subscribe, and the most important thing is to share. I love you. Bye.